Imagine this, having a personal helper that finds thousands of perfect leads for your business, absolutely free. That's what this new AI called DeepSeek R1 is doing, and no one is using it. While others are still paying thousands of dollars on outdated lead gen methods, I'm using this new AI to build literally lead lists of thousands of ideal prospects, absolutely free. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a list of prospects for your business using this new DeepSeek AI technology. Then I'm going to show you how to book 3 to 5 appointments with this exact same list. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right into the content. All right, so the first step is getting 1,000 free qualified leads using what I like to call a Google Advanced Search. Now, the humongous benefit of leveraging a Google Advanced Search is you can get very specific on Google to extract the exact information that you want for your business to get those 1,000 leads that you need, okay? Like the industry, like the location you want to find in that industry, like the contact information, like email and phone, okay? And so that's gonna allow you to then take that information and use a unique way to set sales appointments to increase your revenue and make more money. But let me walk you through this process from top to bottom. So I'm first gonna go to Google and I'm gonna type in my industry that I'm gonna go after. So for example, I'm just gonna type in chiropractors in Miami, okay? What this is gonna do, it's gonna give me all the chiropractors in Miami, but it's not gonna give me the specific information I need to actually contact these chiropractors to set a sales appointments, okay? So I'm simply gonna go to Google, Tools, Advanced Search, and for the sake of this video, I'm gonna type in phone. Now, you can go, if you want the emails, you can simply type in at Gmail, at Yahoo, at Hotmail, at AOL, at iCloud. You can do each one of those step by step to then find those emails in Miami with chiropractors to extract their email. But for the sake of this video, because I'm gonna use this outreach method to show you here on step 3 how to set appointments, I'm gonna use phone, okay? And it's gonna give me all the chiropractors in Miami with their exact phone number, okay? And there's gonna be pages and pages of information. You see there's 10 pages of this at least that I can extract to then reach out to set sales appointments. Now, as you're gonna see here, this list is very unorganized. It's gonna be a lot of work for me to go here and scrape this information step by step. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to Control A, this list here, okay, to highlight all this contact information. Then I'm gonna do Control C. Now, what I would do is I would I would copy this page here and do this step by step. I'd go to all the pages, but for this example, I'm just gonna do this one page. Then I'm gonna take the information, I'm gonna head over to a software, this new trendy software called DeepSeek R1, paste this information in DeepSeek and use a specific prompt that I've developed to take this data and format it in a very specific, organized way to make it simpler for you to use other softwares to upload this information to reach out to these contacts to set sales appointments, okay? So while this is working for me in the background, I'm gonna show you guys the exact prompt I'm gonna use. I'm gonna say, take this data and format the data into a table with the business name, first name, last name, website, email, and phone number. Remove any duplicates, okay? So what I would do again is I would go to all these pages here and go Control A, copy, go back to DeepSeek, and keep plugging this information. I would do city by city throughout the entire United States, right? That's gonna give me thousands of leads for my business. Now you can see DeepSeek gave me this beautiful list of prospects that I can then now reach out to. Now, the next step I need to do is I need to actually format this list, okay, into Google, which is the second step here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull up Google, and I'm gonna go to Google. I'm then gonna go to blank spreadsheet, and I'm then going to go to here, and I'm gonna snag all this information here. I'm gonna copy it. Again, this list should be rows and rows and rows of leads for your business. I'm then going to copy this information on the second row here, and then put in the information. So business name, we then have the first name, we then have the last name, we then have the website, we then have the email, and then last we have the phone, okay? Now I have all this information. What I'm gonna do is now label this Cairo, Miami for some nomenclature, and then go to down here, I'm gonna go to download CSV file, okay? Now, once I have this information, now onto the next step to actually start setting appointments, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to a software like Go High Level. I have my 14-day free trial here download. I'm gonna show you exactly a unique way on how to use this system to set appointments for your business, okay? So I'm gonna go to a sub account here. I'm gonna type in test. For the sake of this video, I'm then gonna go to contacts, and I'm gonna go to import contacts, okay? I'm gonna take the list that I just downloaded here, click next, and I'm going to upload this list into the system, okay? And this is gonna give me the leads I need to start reaching out to, okay? And so I'm gonna cross-check to make sure all this information is correct. It all looks great and fantastic. I'm then going to create a smart list. I'm gonna say Cairo, Miami, okay, for some nomenclature. Check this box down here. And I'm gonna start the bulk import. Now, while that is doing that, I'm now gonna talk to you about step number 3, which is setting appointments. Now, I have tried literally every single method in my business to set appointments. I have tried paid advertising. I've tried cold DMs. I've tried cold calling. I've tried cold email. In none above, the best way in 2025 to set appointments for your AI agency or your service-based business is by far cold calling, okay? The reason why is because it's gonna teach you how to face rejection. It's gonna build your salesmanship. There's no other process out there where you can literally pick up the phone for free, improve your skill set, and book appointments for your business. There's nothing else out there like cold calling. Now, within the cold call, just so you guys have some basic idea, the most important part of the cold call is gonna be the first 30 seconds, which is the pitch. This is essentially your value proposition that you need to pitch to your prospect to get them interested to keep listening to what you wanna say, okay? And so here is the exact pitch that we're using in my AI agency right now that is booking my sales team anywhere from 5 to 10 appointments per day with literally just 2 reps, okay? And it goes something along the lines of this. Hey client, this is Mike here with company name. We're an AI-driven gym optimization company. After running test ads in your area, we found a strong demand for your services by leveraging our new ChatGPT-4 plugin to scale. Are you available today for a 30-minute Zoom call to see how it could benefit your facility? Okay, again, we're piquing their interest using AI and assuming the close at the very end. Now, if you want a full breakdown of how I go into the exact step-by-step process on how to set an appointment through a cold call, I'll link a video here, but for the sake of this video, this is what we're gonna do. Now, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go back to Go High Level. I'm gonna build an automation to actually use a power dialer and Go High Level to call these prospects to get them to book on my sales calendar to make some sales, okay? So we'll go back to High Level. If I go to bulk actions, I'm gonna see that my list has been imported, which is fantastic. I'm gonna go to Smart List. As you can see, my leads are in here. Now, what I wanna do is I'm gonna go to automation and I'm gonna create this automation to actually use to call these people without me having to manually pick up the phone and do it myself. So I'm gonna press add here. I'm then gonna go over here and type in manual action to call, save action. I'm gonna name my campaign Miami, Cairo. I'm then going to put this to publish and save, okay? I'm gonna go back to my contacts. I'm gonna go to my smart list, which is Cairo, Miami. I'm gonna highlight all these leads here. So now I'm gonna go to conversations here, from contacts. I'm gonna go to manual actions, and then I'm gonna choose the workflow, okay? So the workflow is Miami, Cairo, and I'm going to start calling these leads and leveraging this script to book appointments for my AI agency, okay? So this is gonna allow you to call these leads without actually manually picking up the phone, and it's gonna be easy and robust and simple. So that is the process, guys, on how to generate thousands of leads for your business using this new AI technology called DeepSeek R1, and then using software to set appointments for your business to grow and scale. So if you found value in the video, please drop a like and subscribe. And if you want to learn more on how to scale your AI agency, you can go ahead and join my school group that I have linked in the description below, and I'll see you guys there.